Okay, when it comes to resolving issues with Amazon, when your plans of action have failed and Amazon won't release your money to you, or Amazon won't give you credit for your inventory that you sent to FBA, the way you recover your money, the way you recover your inventory or the value of your inventory, is to file a demand for arbitration against Amazon with the American Arbitration Association. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that initial document that you file, a demand for arbitration. So a demand for arbitration could be drafted simply in a letter form. Dear American Arbitration Association, I want to file for arbitration against Amazon because Amazon lost $50,000, $100,000, $1 million worth of my inventory that I shipped to an FBA warehouse, and they're not giving me credit for it, and I see Amazon selling it online. And you spell out paragraph by paragraph by paragraph what you did, what Amazon's reaction is, and why you are entitled to money from Amazon. You file that electronically at adr.org. ADR.org, it stands for Alternative Dispute Resolution, ADR.org. You pay your filing fee online, and now you have filed for a dispute resolution system that takes the decision-making out of Amazon's hands and puts it in the hands of a neutral arbitrator under the rules set forth, the commercial rules of the American Arbitration Association. If you want to learn more how to handle these issues yourself, how you can file and prosecute your arbitration against Amazon, go to our website, go right here to the subject line of our blog and put in just the word arbitration. And you're literally going to have dozens, if not hundreds, of pieces of content describing each of the different steps in filing an arbitration, prosecuting your arbitration, and getting an award of your money that Amazon owes to you, and how to obtain an award directing Amazon to pay you what is owed.